Hello, dear children. Grade 8, Unit Sport, Health and Exercise, Lesson 40. Topic of today's lesson is Sporting Legends. Let's start our lesson. Now, please look at these texts and listen and read.
4E, Exercise 2, page 49.
Sporting Legends. Dmitry Balandin. Kazakhstan's famous weightlifters, boxers and wrestlers have won countless Olympic medals for their country. But in 2016, a young athlete came out of nowhere to win a gold medal in a completely different sport. Born in Almaty in 1995, Balandin won 3 gold medals in the breaststroke events at the 2014 Asian Games. However, when he arrived at the 2016 Rio Olympic Games, he wasn't one of the favorites for the 200-meter breaststroke, and he almost didn't qualify for the final. Against all odds, the determined swimmer surprised everyone by winning the first ever gold medal in swimming for Kazakhstan. Since then, it was clear that Dmitry Balandin was one of the most talented swimmers to come out of Kazakhstan. Peaty. When Peaty was a child, he was terrified of water and would scream whenever he had to go in the bath. No one knew that this young boy from Staffordshire in England would grow up to be a record-breaking swimmer. But that's exactly what happened in the Rio 2016 Olympic Games. When Peaty arrived at the Games, the competitive athlete had already won 19 medals at various competitions around the world, all before the age of 21. While in Rio, he set a world record of 57.55 seconds in the heats for the 100-meter breaststroke, becoming one of the fastest swimmers in the world. But even more amazingly, in the final he beat his own record and won the gold medal for Great Britain with a record time of 57.13 seconds.
Окей. Вот данные тексты вы должны сами перевести. Это ваше задание. Далее
4E,
посмотрите на эти слова, которые помогут при переводе этих текстов. Повторяем за мной, затем переписываем эти слова себе в словарик. Breaststroke, brass, breaststroke, brass. Competition, соревнование. Competition, соревнование. Competitive, конкурентный. Competitive, конкурентный. Countless, бесчисленный. Countless, бесчисленный. Determined, полной решимости. Determined, полной решимости. Heat, тепло-жара. Heat, тепло-жара. Medal, медаль. Medal, медаль. Qualify, получить квалификацию. Qualify, получить квалификацию на кого-либо. Record breaking, рекордный. Record breaking, рекордный. Set a world record, установить мировой рекорд. Terrified, wrestler, борец. Wrestler, борец. Так, ребята, вот эти слова можете себе переписать в словарик, а также использовать при переводе текста. Далее. Слова мы проверили. Так. What do you know about Dmitry Balandin and Peaty? What would you like to know? Write a few questions. Задайте вопросы по тексту, что бы вы хотели узнать о Дмитрии Баландине и о Peaty. Третье упражнение, exercise number 3. Copy and complete the table with information from the text. Then present the two essays to the class. То есть про Дмитрия Баландина и Peaty по тексту, значит, информацию сюда пишите. Точно такую же таблицу чертите в тетрадях, а затем сюда информацию. Страна, спорт и achievements – это достижения, да? What do you think the purpose of the text is? To inform, to entertain, to persuade. Так, вот на эти вопросы отвечаете, что является целью этого текста, да, на что нацелен текст. Так, далее. Collect information about another sport legend in your country. Think about names, sport achievements. Use your notes to write a short text for the school English magazine. То есть вам нужно собрать информацию о другой спортивной легенде в вашей стране. И нужно обязательно учитывать имя, какой вид спорта и достижений. И потом нужно написать короткий текст, да? Далее домашние задания у вас по workbook даются в Белемале. The lesson is over. Have a nice day. Goodbye.